Hey, what's up, guys? Hope you are doing well. So today is day 10. Day 10. We're already on day 10 of 100 days. So we're as I said yesterday, we're continuing with the JavaScript course by Super Simple Dev, and we're gonna do these exercises right here. So in the checkout page, the header at the top always says three items. In checkout HTML, find the element that displays three items and delete the text inside. It should display checkout when the page loads. Okay, so let's see, three items. Okay, so it's right here, and we're gonna delete this like that. There we go. In checkout.js, when the page loads, calculate the in checkout.js when the page loads, calculate the actual quantity of products in the cart and display it in the header. Calculate the actual quantity of products in the cart and display it in the header. Quantity items hints. In Amazon JS, inside the function update cart quantity, we wrote some code to calculate the cart quantity. We use this code. So quantity items. In Amazon JS, we wrote Amazon JS. So where is the update cart quantity? Quantity items. We use this code. Okay, so maybe get this and get into checkout. Into checkout. In checkout HTML, you need a class to the to add a class to the element so you can select it with the DOM and change the inner HTML. So um wait a second. Checkout. Okay, then that's the wrong. No, it's not. It is the right one. So check out header section. Check out header section. Return to home link. Three items. Okay, so this is a link then. Okay, so we wrote some code to calculate. In checkout, you need to add a class to the element so you can select with the DOM and change the inner HTML. So I'm gonna call it um, JS. I'm gonna call this JS checkout amount like that, and then somewhere down here JS document dot query selector JS dash checkout dash amount dot inner inner HTML equals um so we want to get the amount. How do we quantity update cart quantity? Wrote some code to calculate the cart quantity in Amazon JS. Update cart quantity. Okay, so we're gonna do update cart quantity. So I think we're gonna do this like this, right? Maybe. Okay, this doesn't work. Do I need to call it? I need to call it right here, update cart quantity. Okay, it doesn't work. Just check out amount. Yeah, JS checkout amount. Um, let's go here. Yeah, it doesn't work. Hmm. So we have a cart. Um, cart.js. Should this be in cart.js? So cart quantity, cart item, cart quantity. Okay, I have no idea what doesn't work. I have no idea why it does not work. Let's console the log. Oh wait, this is no shouldn't be here because this is on click. It should be, where should it be? Mm, where should this be? It should be maybe somewhere here. Okay, I think it works now. So let's delete this. Okay. Um, but it does not update. Okay, we need to update here as well. Here. And let's delete. Okay, delete. There we go. Go back. Refresh. Let's add some stuff. Add some of these. Go to the cart. 7211. Delete. Delete. Okay, it works. Okay, next up. Oh, it needs to say items. It needs to say items, then um, so like this items. So items like this, like that. Delete, refresh. Okay, next. Continue from 14b. Also calculate and display the quantity in the header. When clicking delete. Calculate and display the quantity in the header when clicking delete. First, create a function update cart quantity and put the code from 14b inside. Run this function when landing the page, when loading the page, and when clicking delete. Note that this function doesn't conflict with the update cart quantity in Amazon.js because we're using modules. Yeah, I mean, I already did this. If we open the home page, Amazon HTML, notice that the cart quantity in the top right always starts at 0. Remove the 0 so that the cart quantity starts as blank. Okay, so we're gonna go to Amazon and cart or something. Remove this. There we go. When the zero sort of start the cart when starts at blank. When the page loads, calculate the cart quantity displayed in the top right. We use update quantity cart quantity function. Okay, I think we did this. Next, inside the function update cart quantity, We have some code that calculates the cart quantity, creates a variable, routes to the cart, and adds up all the quantities. Notice this code is repeated in the checkout JS and Amazon JS. Create a function called calculate cart quantity and move this code into the function so we can reuse it. Okay, so calculate cart quantity. So somewhere here, function calculate cart quantity like this, and then return cart quantity, then export. Then we're gonna calculate cart quantity, and then here, where is it? Calculate cart quantity. Let's go back. Let's add this. Okay, remove this. Okay, it works. So I think it's in Amazon as well. Amazon JS. Calculate cart quantity. And then remove this. And then here, calculate cart quantity. And then add, refresh, add, go here, 4. Okay. Create a function, calculate cart quantity, and move its code into a function so we can reuse it. Put calculate cart quantity inside cart.js because this code relates to a cart, and use export import to share it between two files. Okay. Make an update interactive step by step. And checkout.js, get all the in checkout.js, get all the update links from the page and add a click event listener to each link. Also attach the product ID to each link. When clicking the link, get the product. Get the when clicking the get all the update links from the page. Checkout.js. Okay, first we need to select them and see what they are, how they're labeled. Update quantity link. So update quantity link. So we're gonna go to checkout, update links to the page, checkout, update quant, huh? Oh wait, it's in here. Update quantity. js update quantity link, and here down here we're gonna do um, document.query selector of .js dash update quantity link, uh, dot for for each link. So we're gonna do link dot add event listener click, update links from the page and add a click event listener to each link. Also attach the product ID to each link. The product ID to each link. Click. So the product ID. So we're gonna add this like this, like this. So, and then we're going to do const product ID equals link dot data set dot product ID. And we're gonna link is the product ID on the console log product ID. Let's see then. Undefined, undefined, undefined. Okay, what is wrong here? What is wrong here? What is wrong here? What is wrong here in my update link query selector logic? Disclose typo that breaks. Chris, you generate nothing, Chris. They're all the real issue. This line inside your template string is broken. Oh, oops. This is yeah, it's outside of this. Okay, there we go. Okay, so the product ID console log, yes, we did that. Add two HTML elements after the update link. Add two HTML elements after the update link. An input class quantity input for entering a new value, a new quantity, a span class save. Okay, guys, we're gonna go for maximum like 10 more minutes and I'm gonna be done because It's kind of late, so we're gonna go for maximum 10 more minutes, I think. Add two HTML elements after the update an input class for entering a new quantity after the update link. Input class quantity input after the update link span class save for internet span class save quantity link save to save the quantity. Style the input and set its width to 30 pixels. Put the styles in the file styles pages. Check out CSS. Style the input. Okay. So add the class link primary to the span. Link primary. Okay, so styles pages check out checkout.css style the input quantity input. So quantity input width 30 pixels. Okay, check out CSS. Yeah, okay. Make the make save appear when clicking update. When clicking update, get the cart item container for a product and add the class is editing quantity to a container. Use add get the and add the is editing link primary. Clicking update, get the cart item container for the product. Cart item container. And add a class is editing quantity to the container. Cart item container for the product. When clicking update. Clicking update. So where's the update? When clicking update to get the cart quantity container container for the product. Process is editing quantity to a container. Okay, so click link dot class dot add to the no update. Okay, I'll get the cart item container for the product and add the class is editing. Cart item container. Cart item container. And cart item container. Class container. So we're gonna get this container the class list. Get the cart item container for the product and add the class is editing to the container. So the add is editing quantity update. Oops. Cart item container. Click. Okay, it does work. When we click this, we watch here, we click, and we get is editing quantity. Okay, is editing quantity container. And check out this is start the input and save link to and add display none. They will be invisible at the start. Okay. Display none like this. So, yep. And what did I call a save? Let's hit a save. Save is save quantity link dot save like display none. There will be okay. The CSS is in quantity dot quantity input styles elements with class quantity input inside an element with class is editing. The CSS is editing quantity input um inside an element with class is editing quantity. Use this display initial resets the display property to make the input appear when editing. Same for the save link. Same for the save link. What? Make the quantity and update link disappear when editing the quantity. Okay, so we basically want to show the field and save. So is editing quantity display initial. Okay, so let's see. Click. Okay, so I'm just gonna I'm not even going to give display none to these. Um, So we need display none. When an element has wait a sec. This affects all of them. Shoot. Hmm. Welp. Okay, guys, that's gonna be it for today. We're gonna continue tomorrow. That's gonna be it for today, guys. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow. Yeah, day 10, tomorrow's day 11. And yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on links in the description. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.